Hello there, come with me to bake a delicious and budget-friendly chocolate cake with creamy mousse filling, which literally takes 5 minutes of your time and 3 simple ingredients. For the chocolate cake, start with beating eggs and white sugar with some vanilla just to dissolve sugar a little bit. You can use a whisk as well. To enhance chocolate flavor, I use a shot of espresso, which can be skipped or substituted for black coffee. Milk and melted butter, which can also be substituted for vegetable oil if you prefer it. Vegetable oil doesn't give that buttery flavor, but it actually helps to keep your cake soft even after the fridge. For the dry components, some flour, cocoa powder, and baking soda. Mix in on low speed. I actually have quite a few different chocolate cake recipes on my channel. I'm gonna link them in the caption below, so check them out as well. But this isn't the end. Lastly, pour boiling water. Its role is giving chocolate cake moisture without extra fat, and it starts cooking cocoa powder even before the oven, creating richer flavor. You will definitely smell it at this point. And finish with vinegar or lemon juice works just the same. A quick stir and we're ready to bake. 2 pans of 6 to 7 inches or 1 pan, you can let the other half of the batter sit at room temperature. About 45 minutes at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. If you're not planning to use those today, wrap them in plastic even when they're still warm. Frosting or filling is a really fun recipe to make, only 3 ingredients and 5 minutes, literally. But before you start, make sure you have everything for the cake assembling ready. You're gonna need a spinning table or just flat surface, acetate film, and a cake ring. If you don't own one, don't worry. You may use only acetate film tightly secured around the cake with a rubber or something similar. Firstly, mix gelatin in cold water. Prepare condensed milk in a bowl with some vanilla. Vanilla is optional, but I would definitely add a nice portion of some good extract or flavoring to make it pop. In a separate bigger bowl, whip heavy cream until soft peaks form. Consistency should remind you of melted ice cream. Now melt your gelatin and combine with condensed milk. Right away pour that into cream with mixer going on low speed. Work fast from now on because mousse thickens quickly. Layer cream mousse and cake. For convenience, I use 2 more bowls for precise layers. Optional but recommended, soak cakes in regular milk. Please find a layer of cake and cover with plastic to keep it moist until cake is ready to serve. Put it in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. As you can see, everything stays together perfectly. I went for simple decor today, made a little ganache and created chocolate drips on the sides using a spoon. And kind of push the ganache off the edge. Spread the rest of it in the middle and I usually make a spiral with a spoon. I would let ganache harden in the fridge for 10 minutes, but slicing right away is fine too. Heated knife will give you the cleanest cut, by the way. I mean, this is probably one of the tallest cakes I've made so far. It looks pretty cool. Perfect combination of rich and tender chocolate cake with creamy filling. Serve it with some more chocolate ganache or sauce if you like, I think it's perfect just the way it is. Enjoy this cake and baking! It's fun!